Hello! Today's video is all about the Ordinary multi-peptide hair serum density. I got it wrong. We're gonna review today the Ordinary multi-peptide serum for hair density. I've been using this product for the past 5 months, almost 5 months. I will be showing you how to use it, what ingredients this product has. Do I think if it works or not? I'll be showing you also my before and after pictures. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like it and let's begin. If you haven't heard about the Ordinary multi-peptide serum for hair density, this is a scalp treatment that is designed to support hair health so that your hair looks thicker, fuller, and just healthy in general. As you can see, this is pretty much a water consistency serum that is made of peptides, castor oil, and caffeine. This hair serum is an emollient base, meaning that it's more effective and getting absorbed into the skin. In terms of how to use this hair serum, at the back of the product, instructions recommend to apply a few drops or as needed once daily, ideally at bedtime to clean dry scalp, and then you're gonna massage your scalp thoroughly and that's it. You're not supposed to wash hair or scalp after application because this is a leave-in treatment. I was actually very surprised of the consistency in this product because this is like the lightest thing you could possibly apply on your scalp. Even someone like me with oily scalp and that also develops dandruff kind of easy, I was not having trouble using this product. In my case, I use this hair serum in 2 different ways during the week. So the first way is exactly as the product recommends at bedtime. So before I go to bed, I apply half a pump of the Ordinary multi-peptide serum all over my scalp, always focusing on the hairline, temples, the middle parting, and then the back of my head. And then I do a 5-minute massage and that's it. However, I have to say that even though the consistency is not sticky or greasy at all, if you apply on a scalp that is a bit dirtier, it could feel a little bit heavier. In my experience, within days of applying this, I start seeing small traces of the serum on my roots, which makes a lot of sense because I only wash my hair once a week. So if you wash your hair more often than I do, I don't think this could affect you or this could be your case. After applying the serum, I will apply my oil, my hair oil on my ends, and then I will use a bamboo brush like this one or my bristle brush to just distribute the oils all over my scalp, including, you know, this. And then the other way that I use this hair serum is after I wash my hair, which is the way that I've shown the most on this channel, and it is my favorite way to use it. So I will wash my hair as usual, and then I will wait 20 minutes for my hair and scalp to get damp so it is not dripping wet before application. And then I will use a full pump of the Ordinary multi-peptide serum. I'll distribute it all over my scalp, always focusing on thinning areas like the temples, the hairline, the parting, and the back of my head. And then I will massage my scalp very gently because hair is wet at the moment and you don't want to go hard on it. So I'll just do a gentle massage for a little bit and that's it. I love to use this product right after I wash my hair because my scalp is like the cleanest, and even though it might not be dry as the product suggests, my scalp seems to absorb this product much better. And once my hair dries, I do not have oily hair, you know, like greasy roots or anything like that. No, it's super lightweight. I'm not gonna lie, I was doubting this product for the first weeks. You at least have to give it 2 months of being very consistent with this product to see if it works for you or not. I used it for like 3 months. I didn't see any change, but I was just like, you know what? I have the product. I'm just gonna finish it, and then if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. After the 3 months, that's where I started to see a little bit of a difference. I have very thin, low density hair. Yeah, I am at the low side, the lowest though. Always been my case. That's how my mama made me, okay? I always wanted to do like claw clip styles and do more stuff on my hair, but I was never able to do that because I would not have the enough hair to hold for the claw clip to hold. And then I started using this product and I was able to put my hair on a claw clip. which is something that I was not able to do. Maybe people with think fine hair will understand my story. That for me was a major change, major difference. It made me feel so happy. Like it made me feel like this was doing something good for my hair. Other thing is I started noticing that my baby hairs, they are thick. You know, in the past when I look at my baby hairs, they're like just very thin. Air could just take them away from me. I have seen them getting very long, very different from this type of baby hair than you see right here that is very, very thin. And now they grow like this, that you see how it's filling gaps in my temples. So long. I think I should put the serum a little bit more up, not like. All right, now I'm gonna show you my before and after pictures. Even though I apply in this area, you can still see that I have a gap in here. Always have that gap, and I was hoping that this will help, but it might take longer, or maybe it won't do anything. That's the only part that I was just like, oh, that's so sad. Would I recommend this product? Absolutely yes. I don't think this stops hair loss. I think this is more suitable for someone that is having some hair thinning on certain areas. For example, like the temples, or maybe let's say on the back of your head, or for someone that has done a lot of treatments to their hair and it has like destroyed the hair, that the hair now comes out like very thin and weak. You should definitely try this out. Do you see this product being super beneficial for turning your baby hairs into a thicker, fuller strands? Like it feeds those hair follicles and it makes them grow those hairs that are already there stronger, thicker. That's what I think this product does, or I'm sorry, I was just losing it. It is what I've seen so far based on my experience. Very happy with my results so far. And yeah, I really hope that the whole experience, the review, everything I told you about this product helps you out in one or the other way. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura Vida. Coffee was not good. Look at that.